Welcome to 3RI Technologies. Learn the way industry wants it. We, 3RI Technologies, are leading training provider for software development courses, stands unshaken since 2010. We, being ISO 9001 2015 certified company, imparts IT training from basic to advanced technologies. Our specialty includes quality training with hands-on experience, real-time project-based training, convenient batch timings for regular fast-track weekend, career counseling and support, unlimited lab availability, experienced and certified trainer from top MNCs, ebook availability for every technology, software installation on laptops. Also, 3RI team is the dynamic group of industry professionals who possess intense passion to deliver knowledge to aspirants. 3RI technology courses include job-oriented courses, modular courses, database administrator courses, website development, software testing, big data segment, cloud computing, mobile application, scripting languages, SAP training, digital marketing. 3RI Technologies emphasize on quality training and offer 100% placement assistance. See you there. 3RI Technologies.